today I'm going to show you how to use the printable pattern pieces that come with your bag instructions. You'll see when you download your bag instructions, you're going to have these pattern pieces that you can print and you can trace onto your fabric, and then that'll give you a precise cut for each bag piece you'll need. So this one today is the Lisa crossbody bag. And what you're going to do when you print out your pattern pieces, just to make sure you've printed them correctly, and they do come with printing instructions, you're going to measure that test square and make sure that that test square does indeed measure 1 inch by 1 inch. That will tell you that they are printed correctly. Some of these bag patterns have multiple pieces that will need to be taped together. So this one, it says match up to pattern cutouts. So for that page, you're going to print 2 printouts, and you're going to cut along the dotted line, and you're going to match up these half circles with each one of your cutouts. In this particular pattern, it also has a strap piece that you will print 6 times, and you'll match up 6 of these dots together to create your long strap piece. So let's go ahead and do that now. We'll cut them out and we'll tape them together just to let you look and see how that looks. Okay, so now you have your 2 cutouts and the half circles. Now you can match up the half circle at either end. You only need to match up 1 half circle to create your full circle. So you're going to match these up and you're going to tape these 2 pieces together. So once taped together, you have your full pattern piece, and this piece is going to be your zipper pocket on the Lisa crossbody bag. So you matched up 2 pattern cutouts, you taped them together, and now you'll use this full pattern piece to cut 1 piece from your exterior fabric and 1 piece from your stabilizer. So you'll just lay that down on top of the fabric. You're going to pin, you could pin this to the fabric, you could even tape it if you wanted, and you'll trace all along the exterior to cut out your exterior fabric and your stabilizer.